Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie Rivera. I am a licensed life insurance agent and agency builder. I partner with Chosen where I help families protect their income, their future, and their legacy. But I also help people just like you learn how to build a real income from home in the life insurance industry. And I'm going to be real with you for a second. Before I got into this industry, I was working multiple jobs, doing everything I thought I was supposed to do, and still feeling like something was missing. Something wasn't adding up, and there had to be more than just working to survive. I wasn't traveling, I wasn't free, and I definitely wasn't building anything that was going to last for my kids. And once I got introduced to this industry, everything changed, not just financially, but mentally. Because I realized something nobody ever really explained to us. There are industries out here that are stable, regulated, high income, and can be done from home. But most people would never hear about them. So if you ever felt like there had to be something more, I need another stream of income, I want more control over my time and my life, this video is for you. Because today I'm breaking down what the life insurance industry really is, how to get licensed step by step, what it actually takes to succeed, and how you can get started even with zero experience. So let's get into it. But before anything, let me ask you something real quick. Why is it that nobody ever told us about one of the most regulated, recession resistant, high income industries? But we were told to go to school, get a job, and work 40 years, and somehow hopes it all works out. Meanwhile, there are people making $1,000 to $5,000 a week helping families from home. So the real question is, why didn't we know about this sooner? There is something I want to clear up first. Life insurance is not just about death. That is the biggest misconception. This is about protecting income, covering family during emergencies, and making sure bills still get paid, and creating that financial stability. And here's what makes this so powerful. It's not optional in the real life because people are always going to get sick, pass away, or face unexpected situations. And when that happens, this is what keeps families from falling apart financially. That's why this industry is state regulated, recession resistant, and always in demand. Now, let's talk about why this industry is growing so fast. People are starting to wake up. They're starting to realize jobs are not secure, layoffs happen, we've seen government shutdown, and one income is too risky. So now, people are looking for flexibility, control, and additional income. Here's the part that shocks most people though. You don't need experience, you don't need a degree, and you don't need a background in finance. All you need is to get licensed, the right training, and the right environment. That's it. So let me break it down in simple form. The first step is to do your pre-licensing course. You study online, it's about a week or two. The second step is to pass your state exam. If you study, you pass. The third step is to do the background check and fingerprinting depending on your state because this is a regulated industry. The fourth step is applying to get your license. Once you're approved, you're officially licensed. The fifth step is getting contracted with carriers. Now you're actually able to help clients. The sixth and most important step is plugging into a system, a proven system. This is where most people either win or struggle because information alone doesn't make you money, systems do. Now, let's talk about the money. You get paid when you help families. Simple. Ways you can earn is upfront commission, renewal, building a team if you choose, which would be passive income. And here's what makes this different. There is no cap. You don't have an income cap. There is no waiting on raises. No boss controlling your income. Your results are solely based on your effort. Now let's be honest. This is not a get rich scheme. You're not going to get rich quick here. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You will learn, you will grow, you will get uncomfortable, but that's growth. What matters is you having consistency, mentorship, and plugging into the right system. Because when you have the right structure, you don't have to guess. Most people don't join this industry for one reason. They have the lack of understanding, they have fear, or the lack of being comfortable. But let me ask you something. How safe is it really to rely on one income today? Exactly. Sometimes staying where you are is the bigger risk. So if you're watching this and thinking, this really makes sense. I didn't even know this existed. I need something different. Don't ignore that because this might be the opportunity you didn't even know you needed. We have a quick webinar that breaks everything down, how we work, how we help you get started, and how systems run. Comment info or message me directly and I'll send you the link. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. I'll see you in the inside. Welcome to my channel. I'll see you on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.